drum. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for horse. I for insects. J for juice. K for king. L for loin. M for mosque. N for nest. O for onion. P for pencil. Q for Qur'an Pak. R for rabbit. S for sparrow. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht.